Welcome to my YouTube channel Glen J. Please check also my other videos, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with my next upload. Today we will be making the classic corn dogs. They are easy to prepare at home and super delicious. Let's start. Place 1 cup of all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of white sugar. Add a half a teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix until well combined. Next, we need 3/4 cup of fresh milk and 1 egg. Mix well until well combined. Next step. Combine the flour mixture and the milk mixture. When done, cover and place in the fridge for 10 to 15 minutes to set. While waiting the batter to set, let's prepare the hot dogs. Cut each hot dogs in half. Pierce each sausages with a barbecue stick. When the batter is ready, mix for the last time and pour into a drinking glass. This way, we can coat the hot dogs easier. Coat the hot dogs with flour. Then dip into the batter. Make sure the bottom part is completely covered with batter. And lastly, coat them with breadcrumbs. If you want to try this recipe, you can check the full recipe in the description box below. When done coating the hot dogs, deep fry them. If you want to try this recipe, you can check the full recipe in the description box below. When done frying, eat your corn dogs with your favorite dipping sauce. Best serve with mayo, ketchup, and mustard. Enjoy your corn dogs. Thank you for watching. Please check also my other videos, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated with my next upload.